Indeed, this was really a very good course.
What do you think about the course that provided by Sprintzeal?
We got to learn very new things also from security perspective.
What do you think about the trainer?
Gaurav has very good knowledge in all these areas. Of course, he has done a lot of NIAP certifications, right, as he said. And one of the best part, what I would say is he jumped into each and every one of our systems wherever we faced problem. So he individually came in and he resolved it. So that was a very good part. And he took time also for that. So appreciated Gaurav. And the other thing is, of course, there were a couple of hiccups, we missed a couple of classes, and of course that happens, when we are getting the training online. That's very well. Apart from that, overall the course was good, really. So we never felt that we were sitting for 4 more long hours. We were getting enough breaks also in between, which was good. So good job done.